Hi, this is Grace with WTI. Are you looking for a new CC screen? You're gonna love this one from Supergoop.
So this is one of my favorite tinted moisturizers and SPFs in the market. It has an SPF of 50, so it does provide quite a good protection. It's 100% mineral broad spectrum. It has a buildable coverage. You can kind of see a before and after on my skin. It's very light and hydrating. It comes in 15 flexible shades. So you can usually find one that color matches your skin. Now, normally the skin on my face is a lot lighter than my hand, but I thought I would show you just how creamy this formula is. It has apple extract, which helps provide luminosity, and Irish moss extract to help reduce the visible effects of free radicals, which just leaves you with this beautiful glowy skin.
So I really love the coverage I get from using this CC screen. I think you're gonna love this too. And that's just my point of view.